Good morning, folks. Okay, don't mind my hair. I'm trying to do a wash and go, kind of something like that. Fantasy tours in Aruba. We're gonna do a whole island tour today. This is coming out soon. Y'all just bear with me. It's still the morning time. I'm still trying to wake up. I didn't brush and get up this morning. I probably only got like 4 hours of sleep. I'm tired. Hopefully my hair dries a little bit.
Where you guys from?
Kind of let my hair dry some before I take it out.
Right.
Just a little bit.
Nice to meet you.
I know I look crazy. Y'all just bear with me.
She's close to you.
It's so beautiful, but we're gonna be climbing at the top of this rock here behind me in a second. But I just want to go ahead and look at the cacti and all the beautiful rock formations that they got down here at the bottom before we go to the top. This is so Hey Aruba, your girl is here.
Racket.
This right here is the goods, guys. Let's get into it. 760. Hey guys, so my camera died yesterday in the middle of my excursion. I'm new at this vlogging shit. It's so hard. Like, I was not prepared. I had just charged my camera the night before, and uh-oh, here's my food. Chicken soup, this right here, and some cornbread. I am a soup connoisseur. If no one has ever told you, let me be the one to tell you here first. Okay, anyways, I'm doing this vlogging stuff, you guys, and I wasn't prepared for my camera to die in the middle of my excursion. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food. I'm at restaurant Excellencia that I was telling you guys about. That is so good. The thing here for me on this island is chicken soup, okay? The chicken soup, if you don't do or try anything else, if you ever come to Aruba, you gotta try the chicken soup, okay? Anyways, so today for me is a chill day. I think I'm about to spend the rest of my day chilling at the pool. I'm gonna go on an excursion tomorrow to try to catch some of Aruba that I wasn't able to catch for you guys yesterday. But for the most part, this was more like a vacation for your girl to relax. You did. Oh.
Oh, no, you ain't going around the corner. Oh, stop.
That is so funny, yes.
Okay guys, currently we're in Aruba and we're at a restaurant called Excelencia, and we're gonna try some of Aruba's signature chicken soup. And let me tell you, I've heard great things about this chicken soup, and right now we're gonna try it out. So I want to show you the corn. There's big chunks of chicken in there, carrots,
Yuca, potatoes.
and yuca, potatoes. And right now, here, hold it, Nigel. We're gonna see what it tastes like. And I'm gonna get some of the big chunks in there, and we're gonna try it out. Whoa. This is gonna be a good day.
Oh, crack.
Guys, I'm gonna do more eating than talking, so we'll get right back to you.
Today is the last day in Aruba, and I'm so sad. I'm so sad that my vacation is about over. Today, we finna go on an excursion today. Today's the last day, so we going all out. But yeah, I'm super excited to take you guys with me. Excuse my cricket bun. My hair is dry out here. Quick little update on my hair. I thought that I was going to be able to halfway do my hair, and by halfway, I just brought a gel and a little bit of like hair cream. I actually brought 2 of them because it's only a little bit left in both of them, so I was like, oh, whatever, you know, whatever one I finish, I can use the rest of the other one. But I used them, but I don't know, I couldn't halfway do it. I have to all the way wash my hair and moisturize it the normal way like I usually do. Girl, so we rocking this cricket bun until mañana, okay? All right, guys, let's be out. Let me give y'all a little MTV Cribs preview. This is what I'm riding in. Looks like a jumbo bus. above ground, New Orleans style, or Aruba style. I'll let you know how it goes, guys. So we are at the natural pool. And look at the ocean waves. Look how crazy the ocean waves are. There's no way I can swim in that. No way. And there's another pool if you climb up those rocks over there where they're standing. There's another pool up there, but there's no way I would even swim past this area. Oh my god. This is my second time being here. Since my camera turned off the first time, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the natural bridge looks like. My hair probably looks a little hot regardless. But I guess we're about to go to another natural pool. I'm probably not going to swim in this one. The water's a little too cold for me, and it's way too windy today to be swimming in this crazy water. So I'll try to get footage, but it looks like I only have a minute